Good morning, children. So now we are continuing our revision exercise 1, page 69, your last from F. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns from the brackets. She hurt herself while running down the stairs. The teacher appreciated the girl who completed her work first. The boy whom we help is new in school. This is page 70. The park which is next to the market is in a deplorable condition. He is the man that I spoke to you about. Now fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Okay, these I have filled for you. The organization where I work has been doing welfare work for a year. It has an office in a colony and another in a nearby village. Recently, a new project was taken up and a slum area has been adopted by it. The people of that area are happy. The basic amenities will be provided now. It is an endeavor which is partially funded by the government. Now here fill in the blanks with that, this, some or those. So some animals in the cage appear to be sick. This venture will definitely take your organization to a higher level. Those problems cropped up when they were about to release the new movie. I brought this bag to carry my CDs home. Now this past tense and past participle, you have to find out from here. I've already given before this, okay? So break, broke, broken, throw, threw, thrown, freeze, froze, frozen, hide, hid, hidden, rise, rose, risen, buy, bought, bought, show, shown, show, showed, shown. Okay? Now fill in the blanks with ing form of verbs given in brackets and state whether they are gerunds, present participle or finite verbs. Now swimming for hours is strenuous. The chirping of birds can be heard clearly in the forests. The quarreling brothers were advised to make up with each other. Having finished her food, she took her medicines. Jogging is recommended by doctors for all obese people. Daniel is drinking coffee and reading a novel. The musicians are performing in the auditorium now. Smiling babies are admired by all. Painting is a very relaxing hobby. The rising sun looks beautiful. Okay? Now here join the sentences here. He attended the conference as he wanted to discuss the new project. Now here you will, after conference, you will put your as, and he is capital here, but here it will become small. Okay? Wanted to discuss the new project. I had enough money in my wallet, so I bought a few toys for my cousin. She went to Hyderabad as she wanted to visit the Salah Jung Museum. The student must apologize to avoid paying a heavy penalty for breaking the window glass. In this, it is the only way we will cut. She can use the gym in the afternoon. She needs the gym instructions permission. She needs the gym instructor's permission to use the gym in the afternoon. She can go home early. She needs the principal's permission. She needs the principal's permission to go home early. He plays the guitar. It is his hobby. It is his hobby to play the guitar. All the children should keep the classroom clean. The teacher expects that. The teacher expects all the children to keep the classroom clean. Okay children, our revision 1 is completed. Those children who do not have the notes, they can ask the children who are coming to school. જે બાળકો સ્કૂલે આવતા હતા એને પૂછશો તો તમને એ લોકો WhatsAppમાં મોકલી દેશે. Revision note બનાવી છે અમે. That I am not going to make again. We can't make again, okay? In this I will give you. પણ revision note જોઈએ તો એ લોકો પાસેથી પીડીએફમાં મંગાવજો. ડોન્ટ ગો ટુ એનીબડીઝ હાઉસ, કે કોઈની બુક્સ ઘરે ના લાવતા. ઓકે, કોરોના બહુ જ છે. સો ઓલ ઓફ યુ ટેક કેર. ઓકે, બાય.